Time to learn some new tools. We are going to be recreating this drawing using some familiar tools, line tool, offset, trim, center marks, and circle tools, but we're also going to be adding a couple new tools, the tangent and the circle tan radius. So what we're going to do first of all is we're going to pick where we're going to start. I think we should start with this circle here and draw that circle as well. So this circle is diameter 2.25. So we can come up here, select diameter 2.25. Okay, I'm going to find the center of that. And we're going to draw another circle. This is going to be 4.50. So we're going to come here, 4.50. And we're going to change this line. This line is going to be a center line instead of a circle. So we need our tools here. And when we come over here, we'll select this and we will click our line type and we'll click center. And now we have a center line there instead of our other line. Next thing we're going to do is we are going to draw this circle here that is going to make our radius. And the reason why we're doing that now is because what we want to do is we want to duplicate these using our polar array tool, save ourselves a couple of steps. So this is radius 0.62. So we have to come here, click, switch over to radius, and go 0.62. And there we have that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to delete our reference line. And we're going to use our polar array tool. So we're going to come down here. And it looks like a rectangular array at first, 4 squares. If you click and hold it, you get a choice to do polar arrays. Now it's going to say select your objects. We want this object and we want this object. So we'll hit enter and it'll say what is the center point. We want that to be the center point. And so it draws all of our circles around that center point. The only problem right now is that we've got 6, we only want 3. So we're going to come up here and we are going to change that to 3. And we'll click X. Get out of it, and there we are. Okay, so we have got all of the circles that we need. Now we need are these connecting tangent lines. You might remember from math class that something that is tangent is something that is right next to it. And so what we're going to do is we are going to click our line tool, tangent, and you'll notice that that changes our cursor. Now it's a green circle with a line touching it rather than the cross that it was before. And what this is doing is this is going to draw us a tangent line. So we're going to draw from there to there. And we're going to right click, go to snap overrides, tangent, and you'll see that that same cursor has appeared there. So we'll click that. And now we have a tangent, a perfectly tangent line connecting our 2 circles. So we'll do the same thing again. Grab the line tool, type in tangent, make sure that we've got the right cursor, snap overrides, and then one more line. Now we have all of our tangent lines that we need. All that's left to do now is to trim them up. So we will grab the trim tool, trim. Oh, you see how it can't trim it? The reason why you can't trim it is because it is all part of one unit. We have to explode it first. So what we're going to do first of all is we're just going to select everything, come down here to our explode tool, and now we'll be able to trim. And there it is. Zoom in, trim these little bits there and there. There. All right, let's throw some center lines in here. And then all that's left is to dimension it. Grab our dimension tool. And you'll notice that it is not giving me the radius. It is trying to measure it linearly. So let's scooch in a little bit. And now let's see if we can find that. There we go. Let's find this one here. This one here. And then finally, this one down here. And then we just need to export as a PDF. Make our drawing space larger. Zoom in. How does that look? That looks nice. Call someone 5. Your number will be different, obviously. And then we want to save it. Command S saves it, and we're good to go.